My dear Stoic friends, welcome to the third part of our video. Before you start our video, try to relax and put aside all the tense ideas in your brain and all the bad thoughts that want to hold you accountable, even if it is difficult for you, so that every word you listen to will stay in your memory and change you, and relax. Whether you watch the video or listen to it, it doesn't matter. Just focus on the subject and listen quietly with understanding. Let these ideas that circulate in your brain go down to your soul and affect you deeply. My dear Stoic friends, please don't forget to tell us your ideas in the comments. If you're ready, let's start the video. The seduction power of compassion is a powerful force that is sometimes undervalued. Sincere deeds leave a profoundly positive effect on other people. When you show kindness, even in tiny ways, it shows that you have a compassionate character that makes people want to be around you. These acts of kindness have the power to make a deep impression on someone, increasing the likelihood that they will think positively of you and want to spend time with you in the future. Being kind doesn't always need large gestures. It may also be as easy as smiling, providing assistance, or paying close attention to someone who is in need. These apparently insignificant activities may make a big difference and strengthen bonds that go beyond casual exchanges. It's crucial to inspire viewers to connect with empathy and compassion. You can provide a secure environment for honest dialogue and vulnerability when you approach people with compassion and understanding. Relationships may become more meaningful and satisfying when there is an emotional connection. By enabling you to relate to the experiences of others, empathy promotes a feeling of acceptance and belonging. You may demonstrate your real concern for someone by actively listening to them and validating their sentiments, which can be quite alluring. Furthermore, it is impossible to ignore how contagious the vibrations from compassion are. Being kind to others not only makes them feel better about themselves, but it also encourages them to be kind to others. This cascading impact has the potential to foster a more optimistic atmosphere when generosity is the standard. People are more inclined to interact with you if you exude optimism and warmth, since they are drawn to those people by nature. By being kind to others, you create a positive energy that draws attention to you. Essentially, kindness has the capacity to attract others because it leaves a lasting impression, develops strong bonds, and radiates pleasant energy. You improve the lives of others around you as well as your own by choosing to practice kindness in your everyday encounters. Therefore, deliberately endeavor to be nice, compassionate, and positive. As you proceed, you'll discover that the bonds you create are not only deeper, but also more fulfilling, which makes kindness one of the most effective strategies for drawing in significant connections. Your confidence's magnetic quality is a strong force that may greatly affect how other people see and relate to you. To people around you, confidence communicates your sense of self-worth and how much you respect your skills and abilities. It's obvious when you carry yourself with confidence that you think highly of yourself, and this notion is quite alluring. People are drawn to confident people by nature since they project a strong and dependability vibe. People are eager to interact with someone who exudes confidence. Thus, this magnetic characteristic may lead to new possibilities, friendships, and love relationships. Building confidence requires inspiring viewers to value their individuality. Every individual has unique qualities, abilities, and viewpoints that make them unique. You may develop a strong sense of self that boosts your confidence by acknowledging and appreciating these special attributes about yourself. Consider what makes you unique rather than striving to fit in or make comparisons to other people. Whether it's your compassion, sense of humor, or inventiveness, embracing these qualities enables you to show the world who you really are, and that's beautiful. Furthermore, it is impossible to exaggerate the significance of having self-confidence. Confidence is built on self-belief, which gives you the courage to follow your hobbies, take chances, and interact with people without worrying about being judged. When you are confident in your skills and appreciate what you have to offer, it comes out effortlessly and makes you seem approachable. You may develop this self-belief by thinking back on your previous accomplishments, making realistic objectives perspectives, and repeating encouraging statements to yourself. Your confidence will increase as you affirm your own value, which will make you more endearing to those around you. Basically, confidence is magnetic because it communicates one's value, supports embracing individuality, and cultivates a strong sense of self-worth. Building self-confidence gives you the ability to face obstacles in life with poise and resiliency, in addition to making you look better. Thus, give yourself some time to cultivate your sense of self-worth, honor your uniqueness, and show off your confidence. As you do, opportunities and significant relationships will come your way, greatly enriching your life. A vital element of happy and satisfying partnerships is emotional availability. It speaks to the capacity to be truthful, transparent, and sensitive to your own emotions as well as those of others. Deeper relationships can grow in an atmosphere that you create when you are emotionally accessible. Being honest encourages closeness and trust because it lets couples talk about their hopes, worries, and thoughts without worrying about being judged. Vulnerability is fostered by this degree of transparency and is necessary to forge deep emotional connections. When both partners are comfortable expressing who they are, they may work through difficulties as a team and provide each other with deep support. Promoting genuine thinking and emotion sharing among viewers is essential to developing emotional availability. A good partnership is built on authentic communication. By being honest with your spouse about your feelings, you encourage them to feel the same way, which builds a mutually beneficial dynamic. Your mutual understanding will grow as a result of this genuineness, which also encourages compassion and empathy. Sharing your thoughts and experiences with your spouse enables you to be seen for who you really are, which may result in a deeper and more satisfying relationship. It's crucial to emphasize the harmony between preserving limits and exhibiting sensitivity, though. While sharing your thoughts is a necessary part of being emotionally open, setting up appropriate boundaries is just as crucial for safeguarding your mental health. Being vulnerable is about being open in a way that feels safe and respectful for both parties, not about oversharing or putting yourself in danger. Maintaining emotional openness while communicating your wants and limits is made possible by setting boundaries. This harmony fosters a supportive atmosphere for intimacy and growth by guaranteeing that each partner feels safe and appreciated. Emotional availability is crucial for relationships because it may help build stronger bonds, promote real communication, and strike a good balance between vulnerability and limits. When you accept emotional openness, you make room for love and understanding. Thus, give it some thought to how emotionally available you are and how you might foster closer bonds with the people in your life. You may deepen your connections and build enduring, meaningful relationships that last throughout time by being genuine, open, and respectful of your boundaries. We covered a number of crucial topics in this video that emphasize how important it is to better oneself in order to draw in others and create lasting connections. We started out by talking about how developing confidence and self-worth may greatly increase your attraction. People are drawn to you when you are confident in yourself and appreciate your special talents, which fosters an appealing environment for interaction. We also highlighted the importance of kindness and optimism, showing how sincere deeds of compassion can make a powerful impact and project a captivating aura. By being thankful and doing happy things, you not only make yourself feel better, but also encourage those around you. We also discussed the need of emotional openness in partnerships. Meaningful conversation and understanding are made possible by cultivating deeper connections via openness and authenticity. We urged viewers to express their ideas and emotions while preserving a sensible ratio of openness to boundaries. We emphasized the charm of keeping things mysterious throughout the film, implying that disclosing just enough personal information may spark curiosity and keep viewers interested. We also spoke about the value of active listening and how it promotes open communication and trust. We urged people to apply these secrets to their life as we came to an end. As self-improvement is an ongoing process, you may improve your beauty and create more satisfying relationships by adhering to these ideas. Never forget that you are always on a path of self-discovery and connection, and that even the smallest step you take may have a big impact on how you interact with other people. Finally, if you want to see more thought-provoking videos on relationships and personal development, we urge you to subscribe to our channel. Please like and share this video with friends and family if you think these talks will be beneficial to them. With your help, we can reach a larger audience and provide more worthwhile material. Let's keep exploring the path of connection and self-improvement together so that we may all live more fulfilled lives. We appreciate you coming, and we hope to see you in our upcoming video.